Ano ba yung experience that you hated doing manually before?
When we're making quotations kasi from the start, we're making it po sa Google Sheets. Pag ginagawa namin siya sa Google Sheets, we type it one by one per item. We put the prices one by one. So, matagal siya, especially if peak season, madaming nagpapa-quotation. So, before kami matapos sa isa, we're already exhausted. Tapos may another pa kami ng mga sesendan. Pero yun yung main na kailangan namin gawin because without that, wala din kami ma-receive na payments. So, yun yung parang pinaka-draining siguro na unlike right now na pag magagawa kami ng quotation, we just click a keyword for the item and the price is already there. Yun po ang Opo, yung CRM namin. But I think dahil marami kaming Google Sheets for quotation and madami rin kaming platform, feeling ko, hindi niya nalalahat. Kasi we have emails din. So, I think hindi niya na-jot down lahat ng leads na pumasok sa amin sa isang CRM.
But with Flow 21, the
Confident that
contact,
we didn't miss a single lead.
what were the things that you wanted to do but you couldn't do before yung Flow 21?
Okay, yun po.
Ay,
Yung CRM, yun.
yes, CRM.
Kasi we want it to be automatic siya na mare-record and then compile na siya in one place. And then we want na walang ma-miss. So, that's one thing po. What else? Another
Automated
one
contact.
po, yung name-message din ng production team yung yung mga clients sending picture. And yun po, siguro those are the top 2 things po na parang we wanted to do before na nagawa namin siya with Flow 21 ngayon. Okay. As of now po, with Flow 21, siguro yung sa lead generation mo, it's the same po as before kasi we're basing kasi yung mga leads namin. Nanggagaling siya sa ads, sa Facebook ads. Kasi yun pa rin naman po yung nakaset up. Tapos, ang our goal kasi before, 20 clients per sales rep. So, ngayon po, lahat ng pumapasok sa Flow 21, sila po yung nag-a-answer. And ako po, nagsusupervise na lang po. But, mostly po, sa nakikita ko naman sa kanila, mostly nung nasisenda nila ng quotation, nagpo-proceed naman sa payment. So, yun po, yung I think, okay naman po. Kasi nga po, factor din kasi yung mabilis kami makapag-send ng quotation. So, parang ako din, personally, is excited na mas makapa nila yung sales process, yung mas kaya na nila without my guidance para they can close more clients kasi nga po ngayon mabilis na mag-send ng quotation. Yun po.
Next question I'd like to ask you is, what are your main concerns about working with Flow 21? Yung mga skepticism mo. Yeah.
Wala naman
Wala
po.
naman.
Just we just have to get used to it lang siguro. Opo. Yung the first thing po kasi na talaga nakakatch ng attention namin is yung sa CRM because that's really important po sa client retention namin. So, yun po yung it started with that and then in one place, doon na rin pala yung quotation. Tapos, we can register the products pala. So, as time went by po, nung onboarding, na nadidiscover namin that we can do this, we can do that, mas na-motivate po kami to use Flow 21. Yes, opo. So, we got excited. Actually, parang nagkakaroon ng ano bang tawag sa ganun? Overhauling.
Overhaul.
Ang po namin, ang company. So, yung may mga duties and responsibilities na inaayos for each of us. And then, I think, comes next are the target. Yung mga targets na po na need namin ma-hit or mga metrics na kailangan namin bantayan in the following months kasi may mga ini-improve din po siya sa production namin and then may mga ongoing hiring po kami ng mga additional employees. Last, diba, March, so I made a sales report last March and then I made a sales report for April. And then dun ko na po na-notice yung we had more sales this April versus March. And then yun nga po, na-congratulate ko din yung sales team since they're new. So I congratulated them na for closing more clients this month, ganyan. So sana ma-motivate sila to close more to close more this ngayong May naman. So yun po, yeah, ano po, it improved po. It improved po naman.
I would like to know, what's the best moment for you ever since onboarding of Flow 21?
The best moment? Of course po, yung makita ko na na the down payment yung mga sinenda namin quotation. Yun po. Pag nakikita ko po that the invoices are paid or partially paid, so I'm happy with that po na ibig sabihin, ayun, na gumagawa po yung mga sales rep namin. And we're efficiently using Flow 21. Yun po. Of course po. Sige, I forgot to share pala din po kanina. Yung sa related siya sa CRM. 'Di ba po pag nag-send sila ng details nila doon sa link, so recorded na sila as contact, as lead. Tapos at the same time po, pag maggagawa kami ng quotation, we don't have to copy-paste yung order form details, ipe-paste namin sa Google Sheet. We just have to click their name po na isa-select namin as recipient ng quotation. And then, yung para ma-receive ng client yung invoice or para ma-receive ng client yung invoice, they need to sign the quotation. So, every time, kasi it's time consuming for us na isa-send namin PDF file before, then sasabihin namin, please sign the quotation and send it send it to us once signed. Ngayon, we just send it one time and then ask them to sign. Tapos, they don't have to send it back. We'll just see it na invoice na na-send na sa kanila yung invoice, then they just have to make the payment. So, marami pong na-cut short because of Flow 21 po. So, it will reflect doon sa invoices sent. Once kasi, kunwari, sabi nung sales rep, ma'am, okay na daw kay client yung quotation natin, nagbayad na po sila. Pero hindi daw nila makita dun sa invoices sent. Sabi ko, maybe because hindi nila pinirmahan yung quotation. So, tell them to sign it. Then, it's also a guarantee din sa amin that they consent the order po. So, yun, pag na-sign nila, papasok na siya sa invoices sent.
One last thing, what is your message to those who are skeptical about onboarding with Flow 21?
For those who are skeptical in onboarding Flow 21, it's a good thing to give it a try because so many things are already in one place po. So, yun, from the internal for your team to the clients to contact records or CRM. So, parang if it's really easier than the old system. So, why not give it a try? So, yun po. Especially if we want to grow, if we want to monitor then everything, it's already in Flow 21. Give it a try. Of course po, when you give it a try, really learn it by heart. Give time to learn it, to understand it. Kasi, of course, it's still a new system. At first talaga, it's confusing kasi bago yung nakikita ng mata mo. But you'll just have to understand it and learn it.